Blocking websites on a PC can be done through various methods, but one of the most straightforward ways is by modifying the host files. The host file allows you to map domain names to specific IP addresses, effectively blocking access to those websites. Please note that the following instructions are for Windows operating systems. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. Type Notepad into the search bar. Right-click on Notepad in the search results. Select Run as Administrator. In Notepad, click on File in the top left corner. Choose Open. Navigate to the following directory: Windows, System32, Drivers, etc. In the file name field, type host and click Open. At the end of the file, you'll see some lines of text starting with a hash symbol. These are comments and don't affect the host file. To block a website, add a new line at the end of the file in the following format: 127.0.0.1 example.com. Replace example.com with the website you want to block. You can add multiple lines for different websites. In Notepad, click on File again. Select Save, not Save As. Close Notepad. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type CMD and press Enter to open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter: ipconfig //DNS. Open the web browser. Try accessing the websites you blocked. They should now be blocked and will display an error or won't load at all. Keep in mind that this method blocks websites locally on your PC. If you want to enforce website blocking across multiple devices or on a network, you will need to use more advanced methods like configuring your router or using third-party software. Additionally, be cautious when editing the host file, as making mistakes can lead to unintended consequences. Always back up your original host file before making any changes.